Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, January 29th, and this is my PM video where we normally take a quick look at the euro dollar, the pound dollar, and gold because those are definitely the most popular pairs by far. If you haven't done so already, definitely make sure you join my free, absolutely free Discord channel. The link for that is up at the corner of this video at the end, and it is in the description of this video. If you would like to join my membership, then you do so by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com, to get access to all the benefits that are listed down here below. So, anyways, we had a very big news event coming out tonight, and it didn't really have a whole lot of an effect on the market, really. We had interest rate for the U.S. dollar, the federal funds interest rate, and they did not lower interest rates. They kept it at 4.5, and they were forecasting that they were not going to lower interest rates, so it came out exactly as forecasted. Normally, when price, targets come out exactly as forecasted on the news, that doesn't really have much of an effect on the market. So that is all over with now. And tomorrow we have the Europe interest rates, which they are planning on lowering interest rates 25 basis points tomorrow at 1:15 p.m. UK time. And then we have unemployment claims for the US, and we have advanced GDP for the US. So tomorrow's New York session should be pretty active, and I do Zoom meetings every single day, except for Monday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we do Zoom meetings for the New York session with my premium members. So I will be in a live stream with all my premium members at these news events tomorrow, just like I am every other day except for Monday. So, anyways, let's take a look at the euro dollar. Like I said, very, very little effect on the euro dollar today. This actually looks to me like a pretty clear little downtrend right here. To tell you the truth, already short on this. I'm actually short from yesterday, so I kind of hope that it just keeps on going down, make lower lows, lower highs, and that this up here really is like a wave C. But more than likely, that's not the case. More than likely, this is going to end up being some sort of an A, B, C, or B. Probably end up looking something like this to make like an A, B, C, or B, or possibly an A, B, C of two, meaning that this uptrend would be either an A or a one. So I think there's a chance we might drift up and take out Strutzer, but like I said, I'm short and I'm holding my shorts, so I kind of hope it just keeps on going down. So going to the euro dollar, the pound dollar that is. The pound dollar also has a pretty clear looking five waves down with a break of structure. So that tells me that probably this is like a wave A. We're probably in like a wave B right now, and the fact that this didn't make a very big pullback like some of the other dollar pairs tells me that it might even go up and take out the previous highs before it goes down. Or it might just go up to a Fibonacci retracement level. So either way, pay attention to your fib levels. I do think there's a very good likelihood this is going to go down to at least a 50 to 61% for an A, B, C like this, or possibly even a 1, 2, 3 to the downside. Like I said, this could be a wave C on the higher time frames. More than likely, it's a wave A or 1, and this is a wave B or 2, just like the euro dollar. So moving on to gold. Gold didn't really do a whole lot today at the news either, and I'm sort on gold also since yesterday, hoping for a big, big move down. But I do see on the higher time frames there is a possibility that we're missing like a wave 5 of wave C. And if that is the case, it possibly could go up and make like an equal top before it really does go down. Not really too big of a deal. Yeah, I mean, it definitely looks like this is impulsive and this is possibly corrective, so it might end up drifting up again. Hopefully, if it does drift up, it'll just bounce off one of these two fib levels and then it will go down for either a wave C or possibly a wave 3, meaning that this is either an A or 1, this is either a B or a 2, and then down for a 3 or a C. Or possibly this is a wave 3 and this is a wave 4 and a wave 5 on the higher time phase. If it is a wave 5, then it will, like I said, possibly go up and make an equal high before it makes the bigger move to the downside that we've been waiting for. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked up here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.